EcoFlow Delta 3, 1800 watts output, fast charging, long runtime, and induction cooker ready. Brown out no more.
Long press lang pala yung power button. Tapos inon ko rin yung USB. The Type-C and the USB will be on, and then the AC, yung AC on and off din yun para dito sa apat na to. Na-try na rin namin. So, sinacharge ko tong phone na to ngayon. At yan yung nakalagay. 18 hours. And 18 hours siya. We finally have the EcoFlow. Very good. Look at this. 15 kilos. 4 socket. Chargers over there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Type-C for cell phone and any Type-C stuff you have it. Tapos ito, dalawang USB. And then they said you can see the information here. Here. Wall outlet. Do not use other cables to charge. Plug directly into AC outlet. So this is the cable for the AC outlet. So I need to download the EcoFlow app. Anyway, I'm just gonna put this in the yellow basket. We ordered this like 2 weeks ago. Tapos nakalagay sa online is it will take 30 days, which is June 28, 25 to 28, but it arrived last week, which is June 5th. Dumating siya June 5th or June 4th. So super that dumating ka agad siya kahit ang waiting time pa is 25, which is good para ma-charge ko na siya, makita ko na. At kung gumagana ba to, paano ba to gamitin siya dito pag hindi mo na siya ginagamit. So, hindi na mag-charge yung phone ko. So wala na naman siya. So ngayon 28% pa lang siya ngayon. Tanggalin ko na siya. To connect pala sa app, after ma-install, dapat may on mo to ng press power button para mag-turn on yung kanyang Bluetooth. So far connected siya. Kinoconnect ko muna siya ngayon sa Wi-Fi. Itong aking power station. Kukunik ko na sa Wi-Fi yung app. First time natin itry yung EcoFlow. Is it working? Why is fully charged na? Ang bilis pala nito ma-charge. Oh my gosh. Okay.